inspirational all the way around. You know, win or lose. Um, it's a very good feel for hip hop artists nowadays that's local here and that don't get that much exposure, don't get that much support from people, but they always can come here and get it from at least the crowd in here. So like I said, win or lose every month, every battle since the last one, and so on and so on it's a pretty good feel every time. Every time I come to one, every time I show up, is incredible. I love it.
And she giving it up easy. Ready for loving, so hushing, no rushing. Positions are up for discussion. Why touching you, blessing and cussing, no fussing. But what we y'all doing? Believe in my lusting. Now that we fucking and sweating, I enter your temple while counting my blessings, obsessing your body while I'm still scratching. Raw dog and baby, so fuck the protection. This is mine. Damn right she fine. She moaning and groaning and twisting and turning. You think that I burning the way that I earn it. You think that I'm teaching the way that she learning. She hot in the head so her body keep burning. I'm stripping and striking, run through it like lightning. The cover, she biting her hand, she tighten. Sex, five, sex, baby, I'm best at that. Let me get right into it. I wanna taste your fluids. Just to be going and going and going. And my cup pouring and pouring and pouring.
Yeah, well, I just recently signed to McCall Entertainment, Uprising label. I have a mixtape coming out in May, which we just actually made that plan. I just recently went and recorded, I think the last few tracks last night, and it will be hosted by Kino Beats from Radio Ready Recording Studios. The mixtape is going to lead up to the single coming off my album. But the single is called Why I Had to Be You. The album is not put together yet. I'm still focusing on the mixtape. It's going to be published under McCall Entertainment, and some videos will be shot from the songs off of the mixtape. Not pretty sure which ones, but I'm talking with my video dude Terrence now and to see what's going on with that. But definitely this summer you will be hearing my single Why I Had to Be You, and you will be going to download my mixtape, a hip hop artist, J-Law, J-L-O-A-W.
Bad hoe acting like she won. I busted nut, looked in her face, and I told the bitch I'm done. I got lines, better get yours. I slept whores, no feelings. I beat that pussy up and fucked her through the ceiling. Man, I'm such a guy too awesome. Found him, fuck him, lost him. Cause making love and having feelings, homie, it'll cost you. So I paid them hoes, no, never mind. I got a demon chick, that's hella fine. Her drunk ass on the sip wine and smoke blacks, straight wine. Gin, lime, twisted. I'm Vic to these bitches. Her shape is like a lamp. And I got many wishes, man. My rap name is the J-Law and my other name is the Slut. They dropped my kids on their friend. Now they both my nutty buddies. But when they broke, I'm broke. So I fuck Faith with no hope. Her head mean. Tongue stroke, so I prank the pussy. No joke, they say I'm super mean for saying all this shit. But these tricking ass hoes paying for the dick. Big Jenks, I love y'all. I don't like hoes that's too tall. Let's sheep thick and play ball. But a pussy gotta be straight ball. I became a slutty boy. Rambo, that's my nigga. I put out so many styles. I'm that fucking nigga. So now these traps is thirsty. I'm pissing out my liquor. I rock out with my cock out. Big brother never little, man. And yo Jenks is my Jenks. But my Jenks ain't no Jenks. All yo Jenks. Breath stain, but our hygiene is top rank. She stripping and tricking and flipping. I'm fucking in front of the children. She said that I'm one in a million, but soon as I bust, I'm hurting the feelings because I'm slutting bitches. That's just Jimmy. I'm feeling so empty, cause slutty boy the team.
Damn. Slutty boy the team.
I have seen a lot of progression as far as sound, the style that I use when I rap, even as far as my delivery, everything has progressed. And as time keeps going on, I always find ways to progress and evolve more and more. But since last year, I would say I sound completely different than what I sound now. But it's a good sound because, I'm not categorized like other people. And that's not pointing fingers at anybody, but a person can be like, oh, he sound like J. Cole mixed with Drake, or always sound like Kanye mixed with Big, Tupac, no. I don't feel as though I can be categorized under anybody. When you mention J. Law, you probably just mentioned me. Like, oh wow, that's him, that's his style, that's his lane.
Yeah, the switch.
Snatching ass on live that. Yo, bitch, in my six-pack. I ain't had to do much for a homie. I just brought her ass a 12-pack. When I was 18, I had the hoes. I'm coming to cop.
When I was 18, I had hoes. I had money too, nigga, bank rolls. Shit, I be doing me, my niggas doing. Anatomy and melody is a puzzle to define. I'm troubled in my mind, yet I'm lovable with time. Don't judge me.
Don't judge me. I'm just a young man trying to be different. You a bad guy, it's everybody's inference. Judgment pass, you will not last. Hope and passion, you will not progressing. People holding you up, trying to stop you. As you travel this road, they'll try to block you. They quite ticked off.
As you travel this road, as you... Oh, I get me, I do me.
I do me and I do me. Bring your friend and I do she. We can go make this thing a party and add another bitch and that's free. Damn.
Yeah, nigga.
I'm too dope for home, no money, but I'm a loner. Cause y'all niggas will switch up so quick. Transformer, I'm only 20, my nigga, I'm nicer than you. It's kinda crazy cause I started off from learning from you. Damn.
Hip-hop means more than just culture. It's a way of life with me. It's basically something that I felt that it was always in me. I was born to do it. So when I actually picked up the pen and started writing, it was like, okay, I can do it, but it doesn't sound like me. I don't fit myself. So as I progressed through hip-hop, it was like, okay, I found my lane, I found my sound, and now I found the hip-hop that lives in me. And like I said, it's not a culture. I would say hip-hop is a society by itself. When you think of hip-hop, you think of music that moves people, music that can change minds and change hearts, change lives. I would consider, even though he didn't rap, I would still consider Michael Jackson part of hip-hop because when you listen to him, it can move your soul. You can be happy and you can hear a Michael Jackson song and just break down in tears. That's the type of hip-hop that lives in me. That's the type of music that I like to put out. It doesn't matter what mood you're in. When you hear my music, you automatically can relate to it. Like you immediately go in that zone, whatever mood or mode I was in, you completely go in that, and I grasp you with it. Like can grab your full attention and just be like, wow, I love that song. I need to play that back. So hip hop is a big part of my life, besides my kids. But yeah, that's my heart right there.
Welcome my sons to this cold world where it's bullshitting people and it's gold digging girls. To a clam like me, y'all pearls. To a hand like me, y'all the world. Y'all too awesome. I probably lose half my mind if it was the time that I lost them. Oh, baby mama doing stupid shit. I told her I ain't with the foolishness. I'ma be the man that my dad once was. No matter where I go, I'll still show love. Y'all my all, I hope you know it. Only when I'm at work, I can't show it. Y'all everything a man could ever want. So leaving y'all ain't crossed my mind once. Y'all can flock in this feather with me, but I want y'all to be better than me.